Good afternoon. How y'all doing? Dave here. Coming up with another daily video of farm life after these messages. Good afternoon. How's everybody in YouTube doing out there? Hope you're doing well. We're gonna come up to day 23rd. Day 23rd of the watermelon harvest. Now, I'm in the truck right now, and I should actually be driving with both hands. But anyways, if you can see, and I'm gonna flip the camera towards the front. There's a lot of rain coming from the west side, further west of Lago Vista. I'm coming up here, and I'm gonna turn on one of the farm to market roads that takes me directly to the ranch. I'm actually getting out of Austin. Fighting the traffic out of Austin, and finally getting out of Austin and coming into Lago Vista. Excuse me. Pretty much flooded our fields. Pretty much considered it gone. But you know, some years are good, some years are not. This year's been very, very good to us. And hopefully we should be able to finish everything. Hopefully. I'm gonna come up to, and I wish I knew how to put this camera stand somewhere where I won't have to drive and be holding onto it. I'm using the GoPro Max today under vlog mode. I had been using the Insta360 1R since I made the upgraded firmware on the camera. It worked out pretty well. You know, since I did that upgrade, I didn't need to use the AirPod Pros anymore or the Rode Wireless. I don't know what happened or what they did, but they made the camera better. Unfortunately, on the GoPro Max, if I do an outside scene and there's just a little bit of wind, you're gonna catch that wind, and it sounds terrible on a GoPro Max. Right now, we're inside the truck, so I'm sure you could be able to hear me quite well. I'm gonna pause it for just a little bit because I'm gonna end up coming up to a drive-through where I gotta buy 3 bags of ice and get this thing going. Damn, I should have dumped the trash from the back seat. I was at the car wash earlier. And not that it's gonna do any good, because since the rain is coming, my clean truck's gonna be dirty as heck. And I can see lining all over the place already. I'm like, oh my gosh. Yes, it's coming this way. Yes, my truck's gonna get dirty. Or yes, I'm not gonna move my truck and just leave it parked all night. No, I gotta move it. No, I'm gonna pause it for now. I'm coming up to the drive-thru where they sell the ice for $1.50. Because in most other places, the ice usually costs $2-3 a bag. Well, I get it at $1.50 here. So I'm gonna pause it for now, You can see the ice company called La Florida. La Florida. It's a nice establishment here. I'm gonna pause it for now until I get the ice. I'll see you guys in a bit. Anyway, I'm back on the road. It's the only gas station, or actually, it's not a gas station. It's the only drive-through that's closest to the ranch. Unfortunately, they always close early, so if I want to eat something or do something, I got to run all the way back to Austin just to pick up a Whataburger or something. Just as a in addition, I'm gonna get off the truck here for a little bit. I'm out here at the ranch area. It does want to rain. Pretty obvious. A lot of animal poop somewhere around here, so it smells a lot. But we're gonna come up here to the one of the irrigation systems that we have here in Travis County. Water's running kind of low. I'm surprised I'm seeing it pretty low right now. This is where we have our fields and one of our pumps here. We have the canal, the irrigation system that's running through here. I'm surprised even at this hour of the evening. We are at 8:34 p.m. Texas time, and I'm looking at myself through the vlog mode on this GoPro Max, and I'm still able to see myself pretty clearly outside. My face doesn't look distorted, or you know how sometimes it gets kind of grainy when it's kind of dark. It looks okay. Water's kind of low right now, but we're so full of electricity around here. Anyways, before I leave this video to a close, it is starting to drizzle, but most of the rain is going to come from the west of Lago Vista. If you look towards that area over there, wherever I have my finger pointed, that's Austin over there. Plagerville is over here, but you wouldn't be able to see it because you still got to go through some rocky hills. As you enter Austin, obviously you got to put up with all the traffic, but If you go towards the west, you're gonna start going into hill country. On the hill country ends pretty quick, and you have pretty much flatlands. That's where I'm at right here in the flatlands. So as soon as you pass Austin, you come into Plagerville, and you turn west towards Lago Vista, which is where I'm at here. But from far away, you can pretty much see where Austin starts to get pretty crowded over there. Austin's pretty crowded. It's still a beautiful city. I have nothing to say wrong about Austin. It's a beautiful city. It's just a little bit too overcrowded. I like the ranch lands. This is better for me. But anyways, I am totally amazed that at 8:30 in the evening, I'm still seeing myself kind of clear. Means that I didn't have to put any loot. For those of you who understand photography, I didn't have to put any extra visual to make this small clip. We're coming down to 20%, so I'm gonna cut it close here, and I'm gonna head back to the truck and add this little piece to today's video. Well, we're here at the warehouse, and I probably would go outside, but there's a shitload of gnats. There's a shitload of gnats outside. As you can well see anyways, that we're pretty much loading up our products. Our grade A premium watermelon is coming up and being loaded up on the truck tractors. And away they go. As you can see, we have a whole list of truck tractors waiting to get loaded. And we got plenty of inventory to fill up, at least for today's quota. Yeah, anyway, until then, be safe and God bless.